Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can combine cells in one cells. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the cell on which you want to combine. So after selecting the cells, you can see fx options, so click on it, and here you can see category options, then click on it and select all. So after that you can see right here CONC, then click on go. You can see concatenate option, so click on it and then click on OK. So after that here you can see concatenate text 1, text 2. So here you can see text 2. When you will click on text 2, so you can see text 3 will added. So when you will click on text 3, so text 4 will be added. So firstly select the text 1 and here you can select text 1. So you can see text 1 added as a JSON. So after that you can see here, if you want to add space, just click on it, space options. So you can see space is added. So after that you can see text 3. So here text 3 options, so select text 3. So before you want to add text 3, so just click on this and here you can see text 3 is added as a array. So after that you can see text 4 options, so click on it and then here you can use a comma. So after that click on text 5 and here you can add. So after this you can see OK options, so click on it. So you can see all cells are combined in one cells. So guys, if you want to combine other cells, so you don't need to do this. So just click on cells and here you can see when plus icon, so just drag to the lower end. So you can see all cells combined automatically. So guys, in this way you can combine all cells in one cells. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.